All rise. Judge Vunda B. Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1042, Drummer case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right, Ms. Drummer, you're back.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, and you're back. Wait a minute.
Probably a little bit more bitter today.
Wait a minute. What's that ring on your finger?
Listen, like I told
Y'all got married? So I don't have to do child support today?
No, well, see what happened was, I told
I'm
her,
confused.
She was jealous because I was dating.
Okay.
And so me and my young lady, we went ahead and we did that thing. We did it.
What thing is that?
What you think? I wiped up. That's why she's so mad.
All right, buckle up. This courtroom showdown isn't just about legal obligations, it's about love, loyalty, money, and maybe even a touch of revenge. Miss Drummer is taking her partner, the father of her children, head-on in a heated fight over child support. But here's the twist. This case is about more than dollars and cents. It's a storm of emotions, hidden motives, and shocking turns. Can the idea of marriage really erase financial responsibility, or is it already too late for second chances? Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss how this one unfolds.
Trust me.
So, wait a minute. Is it with the woman that you have, or either of the women that you have the 3 kids back?
Why you don't have to judge your boy. No, this is the new lady that I was telling you about last time.
Okay, so the 3
lady
kids
doesn't even speak English, ma'am. And look, Judge.
Listen, she is from. She's listen. Okay, she's from Venezuela.
They're not in love. This is
okay.
She's paying him to marry.
Afro-Venezuelan lady. You should see. I mean, just
for green card.
Okay, so let me just make sure that I follow you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So the woman you married is not one of the women with the 3 kids you already have? It's a yes or no?
No.
Okay. And the 2 of you aren't married?
No.
Okay. This is interesting. All right, so I have the DNA results, and you are indeed the father.
That's all.
I told you. He looks just like you.
Well, I mean, you know what? You and your brother look just alike too.
Well,
okay?
I mean,
all right.
That's what they say.
Well, should they look alike if, they're related?
Let's pause here, because this is the moment that sets the tone for everything that follows. The father admits he has responsibilities, but behind those words lies frustration and confusion. He's moved on, married someone new, but not the mother of his children. That choice alone has turned the tension up a notch. A new woman may be at his side, but the old obligations haven't vanished. You can feel the weight of his reluctance hanging heavy in the room. Still, the judge refuses to bend. Romantic twists or not, the message is clear. This man will pay. The real question is, does he truly intend to face his responsibilities? Or is he still searching for a way out?
Listen, I don't have a problem taking care of my kids. My kids is laced with the best looking clothes. Have you seen my kids?
No,
Fly,
but you know
fresh.
what I do want to see, or what I want to draw your attention to, are these documents that you gave me, so we can see how much your child support obligation is about to be. Make it quick.
I got a few kids. I just got back from my honeymoon. Funds are a little bit tight, so
She's paying him. He got the money. She paid him to marry him. For a green card.
We in a recession. It's a lot going on right now. I haven't been laying as much pipe as I normally
and a
do.
lot is going on with you doing a whole lot of talking and not saying much of anything. So what I would like to do is, and ma'am, I do not need you. Excuse me, Miss Drummer, I do not need your help. Okay, not at all. If you want me to help you and get some support going for you, then you need to not entertain him.
Did you catch that? The judge isn't buying a single one of the father's excuses. The back and forth makes it painfully clear how fragile these family dynamics really are. The father insists he's been laying less pipe these days, but his financial obligations haven't slowed down one bit. This is the turning point where excuses meet accountability. The court won't be swayed by distractions or half-truths, but it raises the deeper questions. Is this really about money? Is it about pride? Or here's the kicker, is he more worried about paying for gas and PVC pipe than supporting his own children? The emotional standoff is heating up, and it's only the beginning.
Okay.
She just mad.
You understand that? You're just mad too.
Well,
You're just mad because these numbers are not about to look real good with your recession that you have going over there. But anywho, how much money do you make a year?
I mean, before, you know, expenses and taxes.
That was not my question, sir. How much money do you make a year?
$65,000. But I have to pay for gas and pipe and PVC.
Oh,
it's
okay.
so much stuff that I have to pay for, Judge.
Right.
Oh, right. Just like anybody else has to pay for things. So, $65,000 a year. I have your gross calculated at $5,416. That would bring your net down to $4,383.27. And how many? You said you all have 2 children.
2.
You have
Then my
3
boy,
previously.
that's my daughter, that's my
So,
son.
all right, based on 19%, you're going to get a credit for that. Child support is, don't think.
Now we're at the core of the financial fallout. The numbers are innate: $132 for child support, plus another $236 for health insurance. That's a heavy hit to this father's paycheck, and the weight of it is undeniable. Despite his grumbling, the judge makes it crystal clear this is a no-nonsense order, and there's zero room for excuses. You can almost hear the frustration cracking through his voice as reality sinks in. The truth is, those honeymoon plans he's been dreaming about aren't going to fund themselves, not when responsibility comes first. But here's the burning question: does he truly deserve this financial burden, or is he just reaching for any excuse to dodge his duty?
Yeah. Child support is $832.
Oh, no, it's rigged.
And then
No.
now,
Thank you.
Miss Drummer, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
All right. How much is health insurance?
$236 for
You
both.
take them kids
For
down
both
to the county
children?
hospital.
Yes.
Okay. $832 plus the $236 for health insurance. You're going to reimburse that. That comes out to $1,068 a month for
Thank
child
you.
support.
So her and Pickle and Pepper Man can kick it? That's all she gonna use it for? I buy all the kids clothes.
Judge, I have moved on. I have an electrician
He
now.
has too.
I don't even need no more plumbers.
Okay. Well, guess what? And I don't need to see either of you anymore because I made my ruling. So is there anything further?
No.
Is there anything further?
Can I speak to your manager?
Is there anything
Manager?
further, sir?
No,
If there's
it ain't.
nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Goodbye.
And then comes the final blow: you're dismissed. No more excuses, no more negotiations. From the start, this case was never just about numbers, it was about responsibility, about stepping up and owning the role of a parent. The father's antics, his shifting stories, his endless excuses, none of it mattered once the truth came to light. This moment in court is a reality check, raw and unavoidable. The question that lingers is this: will he finally rise to the challenge of fatherhood, or keep dodging the duty that's been his all along? What's really holding him back from doing the right thing?
It's me. I just wanted to go over what you witnessed in the Drummer case. There was mom, dad, 2 kids involved in this particular case. Well, dad didn't believe that he was actually the father for one of the children. So before you can move forward and actually place him on child support, you do need to have DNA testing take place to see if he is actually the father. Once it was confirmed that he was the father, he was ordered to pay child support based on his income.
And just like that, the case closes with a firm ruling on the father's child support obligations. The judge left no room for doubt. Excuses will never outweigh the responsibility of providing for your children. The takeaway here goes far beyond this one courtroom. It's not about winning or losing. It's about accountability. If this case hit you as hard as it hit us, make sure to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more intense courtroom drama.